Hey guys, and welcome to this new video. Today I will teach you how to make a clean, nice header in a short time, let's say 10 minutes. So I'm gonna teach you how to make this header. This video I will do for Twitter, but I will show you also the YouTube banner size. Um, so let's start a video and create a new project. Also, if you enjoy my videos and tutorials, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, make sure to follow my Twitter at SergiDesigns. Go to my website to buy some logos. Yeah. Also, link in the description for my Discord server. Currently, there's running a art competition. It will end, I think, tomorrow. So just make sure you join really fast so you can still post your art. So let's start with it. So let's start and click on just create a new project. Go to new and just the Twitter header size is 3000 by 1000. I recommend to do it on white. So here it is. As you see, the same size. So just go up on Google and search for Fortnite landscape. I recommend season 9 because season X landscape isn't there yet. Well, there's a little bit, but not like the best landscape. So like they're not that good landscape images. So I just recommend to do season 9. And let's use this image. I like it. Copy image and paste it in here. Okay. So we're gonna add a really clean gradient on it. This looks horrible, and I know that. So just click on the gradient and click on black and white. Then just go to this little yeah, you can customize the gradient. Let's undo that. So click on the white color and turn it down to almost black, so it will be a little bit dark. Actually, for this banner we can use dark blue. Okay, that's a bit the same. So now you have the background. So search up on Google fmbr.co for Fortnite skins. I use this one because I like the skin personally. So go to just save it. Yes. Go to your files. Go to pictures, or wherever you saved it. Just drag it in Photoshop. Let's remove the red one over here with our eraser. Whoa. Eraser? Let's rasterize it and erase that. Let's make it a lot bigger. Okay. So we got our skin here. Let's erase this too. So we got our skin here. So let's make the text. I like to use Burbank Big Consented. It's not the Fortnite font. Burbank Big Regular is the Fortnite font, but I think this font, just Burbank Big Consented, is more clean. So I'm just gonna type in Sergi, put it behind the skin because on the skin it's not looking very good. let's find yes, center. Is that skin in the center? I don't know. Wait, I see here a little part of that skin, the red version. Let's erase that out. Okay, so we got it. Well, now we've got our text. Let's go to our text tool and curve it a little bit. I should do bulge. Okay, so we got our text, our curve. Let's make it 3D now with this little icon here on the menu, actually text menu. Now you make it 3D. So actually I forgot to make it the right color, so let's just change the color with properties and just click with your mouse on somewhere on the skin. So I'm just gonna do this, and I'm gonna make it 3D with the text. Okay, so now I've got it 3D, and you need to rasterize it. No, actually first let's make it like closer, so it's a little bit bigger too, like that. Okay, and let's rasterize it now. Rasterize a gradient overlay to set it to overlay, and so the blending mode needs to be overlay and the opacity somewhere near 30 actually, or 20. I think 20 is better right here. Let's make the Sergi a little bit smaller, like that. Well, now we've got our text and our skin, and we just want the little like backgrounds and stuff, stocks. So I've got my Sergi pack. You can download it on my YouTube video I posted recently. So I just go to tech, and just search one you like. I like this one. Get it in here and put it behind the text. Make it really big and put it behind the text, because the text is also big. So we've got already a pretty cool header. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Now we just want to add some light on the sides with the soft round brush tool, and set it to soft light. Now you can just add some more effects, but that takes very long. Actually not, but I just want to make a tutorial how to make just a fast Twitter header. So just add a little vignette on it and set that to soft light. Oh, let's zoom in. Yeah, that's looking pretty good. We've got our light over there. Maybe we can set this to hard light and turn the opacity down. It's looking pretty better. If you got like a second, like me, designs left, you can add that, but it could like ruin the whole header. So make sure you have a really good font for it. I like personally the Authentica 4F and the, where's it, Agency FB. I'll use this right now. Designs. Set it above the Sergi. and I should make it white in this case because it fits with the blue. Maybe we I'll make it smaller. It's actually visible. Maybe we can set this on e-skin. It's not really good. Let's do it just here. Let's add some effects. Drop shadow. Gradient overlay. Let's do this to normal. Like that. I think that's looking pretty good. Inner glow, I like it. Opacity a little bit down. So now you got your header actually so much. You can maybe just like check out my pack for more stuff. Maybe you can add like explosion, I don't know. But I think this header is fine. It doesn't need so much. Maybe some smoke. Yeah, I think this smoke is looking pretty good. Let's put that on the skin. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Yes, this is what I meant to do. Oh my god, what I do? Let's make that a lot bigger. Just put it on. Well, now you got your header a little bit. I think this time is less than 10 minutes, so you just get a clean, fine header, you know, in 10 minutes. Imagine if you spend like an hour on it. That would be amazing. Like, it would be really cool. So if you enjoy my videos, make sure to check out my YouTube channel, subscribe it, and like my videos. Make sure to check out my Twitter, drop a follow. Make sure to check out my shop. Join my Discord server. There's one currently graphics art competition. Actually, it's finishing tomorrow. All links in the description. Also, my Sergi pack is in the description. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. See ya.